Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this financial workshop. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shalom Gading Maharani, and I am responsible for today's workshop presenter. The purpose of today's presentation is to introduce you about financial report. In today's presentation, I'd like to cover 3 points. Firstly, what is financial report? Secondly, financial report standard, and finally, why companies need to make financial report. If you have any question you'd like to ask, please leave them until the end, when I'll be happy to answer them. I'd like to start by looking at what is financial report. According to Eugene Brigham and Joel Hutchinson, financial statements are sheets of paper with number written on them. But it is also important to think about the real asset behind those numbers. There are 5 main financial reports, including 1. Income statement, which contains profit or loss, and then retained earning statement. In this report contain equity or retained earning, and then balance sheet, which contain assets and liabilities, and then cash flow statement, which contain details of cash inflow and outflow based on company activities. And the last one is notes of financial statement, which contain notes such as if there are changes in the company that significantly affect in finance. So that concludes what is financial report are. Report that contain information on financial items such as asset, income, equity, etc. And the main of financial report is content of income statement, statement of retained earning, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and notes of financial statement. Moving on to the next section, let's take a look financial report standard in Indonesia. There are 2 applicable financial reporting standards, including IFRS, all financial reporting standard prepared by the IAI, Ikatan Akuntan Indonesia, are sources from IFRS prepared by International Accounting Standard Board. And the second one is SEK, namely the framework of guidelines used to prepare financial report made by the IAI. SEK is the General Accounting Reporting Standard, which has 5 other standard branches. They are SEK ETEP and SEK EP, SEK EMKM, and then SEK SEP, and then SEK SES. I think that just about covers the financial reporting standard. Next, I'd like to take a look at why companies need to make financial report. There are 2 supporting aspects of financial report. It's from internal and external. First, from intern. In the internal scope, financial report function to know the company's financial position, evaluate company's performance, make business decision, monitor business development, and then assess the company's ability to pay off its obligation. And then secondly is from extern. It is for fulfilling reporting obligation to external parties such as the government in the terms of tax interest, to investor to assist investor to making investment decision. And then the last one is to bank to request a credit. Well, that brings us to the end of the final section. Now, I'd like to summarize by financial statements are documents that contain a company's financial information. The main financial statement consists of 5 types, and in Indonesia there are applicable financial reporting standard. Companies create financial statement for internal purpose, evaluating performance, making business decision, and external is fulfilling reporting obligation to the government, investor, and banks. Finally, I'd like to finish by thanking you all for your attention. If anyone has any question, please feel free to ask them and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you.